Hey blockchain users, it's been a while since I made my last video, and there's a very interesting reason, which is a big lesson for you. So around that day, I made a trade which made me lose money, and it was honestly a very bad trade. Of course, it's nothing too dramatic because I size all my trades to be fairly small, so when I lose, it's not too bad. But when it happened, the emotions I felt, it made me want to start trading over and over and over again. And it's a pattern that I know about myself. When this happens, I must stop trading, which is what I did. And I know that because I have a trading journal, which I recommend you do as well. Keep a journal of every trade you do. Put down the reasons why you are buying or selling, the emotions you're feeling, and just compile that. Over time, you will see patterns, just like charts. We have our own patterns, and this is why TA works, because we're it's just a bunch of humans doing things all at the same time. Anyway, you know how I use my 50% tool, right? Sometimes we are in the strong half of our own life, and sometimes we are in the bad or weak half of our own life. And right now on the chart, we are still in a strong position, meaning like Bitcoin is strong. But I was on my own personal weak half, so I stopped trading. Now, that's a weird analogy, but anyway. Next, for the chart, there's not much that has changed. Now, I had a few support level in between. I don't think they are really relevant anymore. We're basically in a range right now, and it's just a matter of time before we break out of that range. We found support on the 0.5 fib level, making me still bullish and confident that we will see further upside in the short to medium term. Else, we need to reclaim about 63K. That would put us above the range, which would signal that Bitcoin is ready to move up. If we go below the 0.5 fib level, not dramatic, it would mean that we need more time before we can move up. But of course, that would be short-term weakness. And if that happens, we can expect, all coins to bleed if that happens. But honestly, I am more on the camp that we're going to see more bullish action. But as always, I'm ready for anything. A while ago, I made a video explaining my count to 4 rule, which is that every time a price level is tested for the fourth time, a breakout is very likely. Now, it didn't happen. We did not see that breakout. But this rule continues. If there is a fifth attempt, it's almost guaranteed that there will be a breakout. Now, I am still patiently waiting for that fifth attempt. When 72K will be tested again, I am still expecting a massive move to the upside. And this coincides with my time theory that we are about to start the final phase of the macro bull market. We are about to enter the mania phase. Wars are about to hit the world, especially the US, which is the leading power right now. Michael Vizino just released a video about that, and it's frankly quite depressing. But as sad as it is, I really believe it because I know that humans don't learn from their mistake. History repeats. This is why I do technical analysis. I find patterns in humans. And every 80 years, there are wars in the US, and we are just on the cups of it. It's about to happen. So it's not really fun, but I think you have to prepare for what's coming. So at least go watch his video and just see if it makes sense to you or not. In any case, I honestly hope he's wrong, but yeah, personally, I'm preparing for whatever the world is about to throw in our face in the next few years. Now, transitioning into something more fun, tomorrow I will be covering a small market cap coin, which I think is very interesting and potentially a hidden gem. Aside from that, do the thing with the YouTube buttons, and I will see you next time.